So I'm here in Chengdu in Sichuan province in China at the start of what is going to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go to the Mount Kailash and Mansarovar Lake in Tibet at the time when the first batch of yatris or pilgrims are coming in after 6 years. Now, the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra has been on since 1981, but it came to a halt first because of COVID and then because of the Galwan clashes and the tensions at the line of actual control between India and China that lasted from 2020 to 2024. Now what we're seeing is a series of steps being taken in order to quote-unquote normalize ties between India and China, and this is one of them. 750 pilgrims going to come to Tibet over 15 batches in June and July and then through August. And that's not all. We're seeing this week in China, in Beijing, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is going to address and attend the meeting of the SCO, National Security Advisors meeting. After that, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is going to attend the SCO Defense Ministers meeting. And they're supposed to lead up to a meeting by the foreign ministers, all the SCO foreign ministers, including, of course, Pakistan and Iran, Russia, China, Central Asian states, Belarus, all here in China this year because China is hosting it. We did see the NSA meet with his counterpart on the border dispute resolution, which is called the Special Representative Committee, Wang Yi. We also are expected to see Prime Minister Narendra Modi travel to China for the first time since the LAC tensions this year at the end of August at the SCO summit. There are other mechanisms that are also now taking place after the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. What we're going to see is the resumption of direct flights between the two countries. At present, there's no way of flying between them. A dispute mechanism on trade and economic ties, hydrological data, particularly for those big rivers coming down from China to India. And then finally, the facilitation of visas. I'm part of another such mechanism, which is the exchange of media and think tanks between the two countries, and part of a journalistic delegation on our way to Lhasa and then to Purang, from where we will start that trek to Kailash Mansarovar. In Chengdu, China, for The Hindu, I'm Suhasini Haidar.